Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll guide you through all the step-by-step process on how to fix queued email problem or email not sending in your Gmail app. But first, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. When you send an email from your Gmail app and it says sending failed or email queued, the problem is usually with the Gmail app's memory being full. So, to fix this problem, you'll have to clear the cache memory of the app. To do that, go to the settings in your device and look for the apps option. Now look for Gmail app, and when you find it, open it and go to the storage. And there you'll find the option named clear cache. So tap on it and it will clear the cache memory. Now try to open the Gmail app and check if the problem is solved. If it's not fixed, again go to the settings and open apps and again open Gmail. And once you have done that, again go to the storage and clear the data of Gmail app. And this will surely fix the problem. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.